Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Tribunal. Tribunal. Tribunal means court of justice. For example, an international war crimes tribunal. An international war crimes tribunal. Synonyms: court, court of justice, court of law. Tribute. Tribute. Tribute means act, statement, or gift that is intended to show gratitude or admiration. For example, the video is a tribute to the musicals of the 40s. The video is a tribute to the musicals of the 40s. Synonyms: accolade, praise, commendation. Trigger. Trigger. Trigger means small device that sets off mechanism. For example, he pulled the trigger of the shotgun. He pulled the trigger of the shotgun. Trio. Trio. Trio means set or group of 3 people or things. For example, the hotel was run by a trio of brothers. The hotel was run by a trio of brothers. Synonyms: threesome, 3, triumvirate. Triumph. Triumph. Triumph means great victory or achievement. For example, a garden built to celebrate Napoleon's many triumphs. A garden built to celebrate Napoleon's many triumphs. Synonyms: victory, win, conquest. Trustee. Trustee. Trustee means individual person or member of board given control or powers of administration of property in trust. For example, lawyers and trustees have statutory and other legal obligations but are still fiduciaries. Lawyers and trustees have statutory and other legal obligations but are still fiduciaries. Synonyms: administrator, agent. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition means sum of money charged for teaching or instruction. For example, I'm not paying next year's tuition. I'm not paying next year's tuition. Turnout. Turnout. Turnout means number of people attending or taking part in event. For example, we hope to have a good turnout on Sunday. We hope to have a good turnout on Sunday. Synonyms: attendance, number of people present, audience. Turnover. Turnover. Turnover means amount of money taken by business in particular period. For example, a turnover approaching 4 million. A turnover approaching 4 million. Synonyms: revenue, gross revenue, income. Twist. Twist. Twist means act of twisting something around stationary point. For example, the taps needed a single twist to turn them on. The taps needed a single twist to turn them on. Synonyms: turn, twirl, spin. Undergraduate. Undergraduate. Undergraduate means university student who has not yet taken first degree. For example, a group of Oxford undergraduates. A group of Oxford undergraduates. Synonyms: first-year student, undergraduate. Upgrade. Upgrade. Upgrade means act of upgrading something. For example, a room upgrade from a twin to a duplex suite. A room upgrade from a twin to a duplex suite. Utility. Utility. Utility means state of being useful or beneficial. For example, he had a poor opinion of the utility of book learning. He had a poor opinion of the utility of book learning. Synonyms: usefulness, use, advantage. Vacuum. Vacuum. Vacuum means space entirely devoid of matter. For example, one doesn't determine the temperature of a vacuum. One doesn't determine the temperature of a vacuum. Synonyms: empty space, emptiness, void. Validity. Validity. Validity means quality of being logically or factually sound. For example, one might question the validity of our data. One might question the validity of our data. Synonyms: soundness, reasonableness, rationality. Vein. Vein. Vein means any of tubes forming part of blood circulation system of body. For example, the veins merge to carry blood to the inferior vena cava. The veins merge to carry blood to the inferior vena cava. Venture. Venture. Venture means risky or daring journey or undertaking. For example, pioneering ventures into little-known waters. Pioneering ventures into little-known waters. Synonyms: expedition, adventure, journey. Verdict. Verdict. Verdict means decision on issue of fact in civil or criminal case. For example, the jury returned a verdict of not guilty. The jury returned a verdict of not guilty. Synonyms: judgment, adjudication, a judgment. Vessel. Vessel. Vessel means ship or large boat. For example, it said about 35,409 ships and vessels have returned to ports. It said about 35,409 ships and vessels have returned to ports. Synonyms: boat, sailing boat, ship. Veteran. Veteran. Veteran means person who has had long experience in particular field. For example, he was a veteran of the big screen. He was a veteran of the big screen. Synonyms: retired soldier, long-serving, seasoned.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.